Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you simple but healthy breakfast idea which even your kids will love to have. But before watching the video, do subscribe to my channel. So come, let's have a look at it. For this recipe, ingredients which we need are melted ghee, vermicili, 1 medium sized chopped tomato, 1 medium sized chopped onion, jaggery, chopped chilies, grated coconut, sauce, salt, red chili powder, or you can use even garam masala, ginger garlic paste, and coriander. First, take 2 cups of water and keep it for boiling. In a pan, we'll take 2 tablespoons of melted ghee. In that, we'll add vermicili and fry it till it turns golden brown. Once it has turned to golden brown, we'll remove it and keep it aside. Now again keep the pan for heating, and in that add 2 spoons of melted ghee. In this we'll add chopped ginger garlic and saute it till the raw smell of it vanishes. Now we'll add chopped chilies to it and saute for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now goes the chopped onion. Saute it till it turns to light brown. Now let's add chopped tomato to it. Now we will add fried vermicili, king of our recipe. Mix all of this together. Now we'll add around 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Now goes the masala. I've taken 2 tablespoons of masala. You can adjust it according to your taste. Now we'll add boiled water to it, which I had told you to do and keep it at the start. We need to stir this till the water dries up. Now we'll add salt to it. Again, this will be according to your taste. Mix it well. Now we'll add the jaggery. Stir it. Mix it well. Stir it till the water dries up and it becomes thick. Now we'll add grated coconut to it. Now we'll add coriander to it. Here, our delicious breakfast is ready to try. Do let me know in the comment section below how it was. Thank you for watching. Please do click on like if you liked my video. comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Bye bye.